change who will attend. Okay? Okay? Right now, let's get another slide. So, okay, again we want ideas. Don't forget the ideas. Other ideas? Okay?
Yes.
Right. So, this we want to change again. We want to change the picture again. Yeah. The place image. You might want to get another picture. Okay, let's say we're going to demonstrate something in the conference. Okay?
Yeah.
All right? Now, let's look at something else now. So, who will be the chief guest? So, you just want perhaps one or two things to write down here. So, we could just take this one. Okay? Chief guest. Oh. Now, we can have the name of G capital, remember?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Who's the chief guest? President of Pakistan.
Yeah.
Pakistan, Prime Minister of Australia,
Okay.
whoever you want.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes.
Whoever it's going to be. Okay?
Yes.
Again, you want any ideas?
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Now, who's the next thing? What is the tentative program of the slide? Now, this we need a slide that has some text on it,
Yeah.
big text. So, program. It's tentative, so we're going to say tentative. Now, here you can put down whatever it's going to be. You've got to double click to remember, double click to edit.
Yeah.
So it's going to be panel, discussions, it's going to be workshops, it's going to be displays, whatever. Okay?
Yes.
Okay? Now, again, if you want to leave it like that and you want a particular design,
Yeah.
it's okay. Now here, if you want to put in a little video,
Yes.
you can even do that. If you want to put in an audio, you can even do that. Okay?
Yes.
All right? So here you've got, now that's day one. Now you remember it's 2 days. So we've got to say what happens on day 1.
2 days.
Yeah, 1. And then we've got to say what happens on day 2.
Yes.
So you might want another slide, the same kind of slide where you're able to do this. Day 2,
Day 2.
day 2. See? And again, you've got the same thing, got the program down there.
Yeah.
All right, then, now, you want, what entertainment are you going to have? So again, you might want this one for entertainment. I'm going to take this one. And I'd say entertainment. Because I've got a really nice slide here. I've got another very nice picture here
Yeah.
where I want to,
The pages.
which I want to put over here. And that picture is, I'm going to look at the albums because it doesn't appear here. The albums, oh no, I got the wrong picture.
Yeah.
But I've got a very nice picture that I can put in over here in the photos. And that picture is this one. This is the one I wanted.
Yeah.
So I'm going to select it and take it down and replace it here. And I've got that picture right here. And I'm going to select it and put it there. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's see if it's what has happened. Wait. Replace image. I'm going to go down here into the albums and I'm going to get the right picture. Oh God. Okay, we'll get the right picture. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Now, then we're going to add another slide. Okay, now what else do we have? Qawwali night. Okay, I want the same slide again.
Yes.
So this is the previous slide we got down in the thing. This was going to be a breakfast. It was going to be a gala breakfast.
Yes.
Okay, now let's close photos first. That's the problem that's happening. So now we could try again and see if we can replace this image now. Okay, let's put in this one with albums where we're going down, scrolling down into the albums and see if we can get the thing. All right, we'll just leave that. And there, now we need to replace that image again. And this is Qawwali night. Night. Okay?
Yes.
Right, now again, what is the, okay, so that is the last slide. And now, if you want to add effects, okay?
Yes.
So you can say that I want to add effects. So if you want to add an effect, you can say that you want to animate add an effect. Okay, let's try and add an effect here. So we had an effect. Now what do you want to do? Do you want it to be, let's use a dissolve effect. Okay, look, see? So that's a dissolve effect where it goes and comes back. Again, preview. Let's preview the effect. See? See?
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
If you want to change it and you want to bring in a drop effect, see?
Oh, yes.
The slides are going to come back.
Okay.
If you want to change the drop effect and you want to make a magic move, animates objects onto the next slide. The two slides must have at least one object in common with a different appearance or position. So we don't want to do this. We want a simple, right? Okay?
Yeah.
So there it is. So these are the kind of effects. Okay, now, so this is the presentation that I've designed.
Yeah.
If you want to go over it,
Yes.
let's see if,
Yeah.
yeah. So this is the presentation.
Yeah.
And while you look at it, just by dropping the slides, have a look at it again and see how it goes. So there we go. Now, do you want to just drop it?
Yeah.
Do this. Just keep doing this and
Yeah.
it will drop.
Oh, yes.
Yeah? More? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good job. Yeah.
Chickens.
Again? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Day 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Entertainment.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
See?
It is. Yeah.
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 Now, what we're going to do now is, all right, so what we're going to do now is that you are going to try to, all right, so let's see what the next step is. Okay, so now, so the first time, now you're going to practice compiling the same presentation again and repeating the whole procedure. Okay? Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now. Okay. What we'll do is that we will close this one because we don't need that. Okay. Right. And we'll put this one down. So we've got that. Okay. Save that. Okay. Save that. All right. Now, keynote explain. Do you want to keep these in mind as you go and develop your own presentation? If you want to do that, leave it open and we'll go back to Keynote again. All right. So now we're going to save this presentation, okay?
Yeah.
So we're going to export it. How do you want to do it? Do you want to do it as a PowerPoint or do you want to do it as a keynote? So we want to do it as a keynote. So we're going to be saving this presentation and we're going to give it a name.
Yeah.
So we call it the Beacon House. And we say SOT, okay?
Yeah.
And we save it on Keynote, okay?
Yes.
All right, so that's done now. All right, so we are now going to, all right. Now, you open Keynote again, and you, if you want any help, we are going to be looking at this. All right, so here we go. Here's Keynote again. We open a new file, and there you go. Now, so what are you going to do first?